Okay, so I'm gonna do my recap today. Yeah, I made $999. So basically, I made $1,000. Okay day, nothing crazy. Seventh day in a row, green day, so it's good. I came back from the dumps. I came from an 8 day winning streak over here, and then I had some personal problems and lost $9,000. And now I've made back a little bit, most of it. I mean, yeah, I think my drawdown is now $3,500, so not bad, not bad. We're getting there. We're getting there. That's good. So, what are the trades that I took today? So, I wanted to start with FSR. So, I wanted to go short FSR. Thank goodness I did. I wanted to go for a 1 minute opening range breakdown, but I went a little bit too early, and I told myself I'm gonna wait for the first minute. Like, let me wait for the first minute. Let me wait for the first minute. That's what I did. So I canceled the trade, and then I saw Riot. So I decided to go short Riot. I saw MARA really, really coming down. So there was a little bit of a dysfunction there because, MARA was really gapping down and Riot had made a little bit of a move up. So I decided that, hey, I mean, and actually the setup was perfect. You can see a lot of resistance here and a big elongated candle there too. So I went short 1,600 shares. I wish I would have went short 2,000. I didn't know why, because usually I don't have the buying power, but now the stock is valued at a lower price. So I went short 600 shares. And again, I exited a little bit too early. My initial target was L2, but I should have let it go at least until L3. So yeah, partial got out pretty much everything at L2. My mistake. I should have let it go at least to L3. So I missed a little bit of money there too. I missed at least, 400, $500, if not more. So that was a little bit of a bummer. I was looking at going in again here, but wasn't too convinced. So I just let it be. I think I took another trade in Riot. Yeah, at the end over here, and I lost a little bit of money. I mean, I lost what 10 cents, $70. I went here short at 947. So right above, right here, to see if it wanted to make another leg down, but it really wasn't showing me what I wanted. So I got out pretty quickly, and at that time, I just called it a day. I made $1,000. I'm happy for the day. I mean, not super happy, but content. Again, I didn't sleep well tonight. Again, I woke up at like 5:30. Was able to go to sleep later on, but I didn't sleep well, and my head is like a little bit foggy. So I really wasn't able to trade out how I wanted. So okay, my other trade was MO. So MO was gapping down heavily, and I really wanted to. I saw this move, and I really wanted to take this trade, but most of the trade happened pre-market. So my what I was looking at is possibly that a reversal at L4, or even maybe a break at the daily open. So that's what I took. I went short 1,000 shares, 46.43. So right around here. What time was it? 9:36. So really good trade over here after seeing the shooting star. Went short 1,000 shares, and I covered basically at the daily open, which was the price where I really wanted to cover. 46.05 covered at. I even added, actually. I even added at 45.89. Okay, no, so I covered and then I added because I saw a lot of I really wanted to see a 5 minute opening range breakdown. That's the sell that I was looking for after that. So I really wanted to see this huge gap down. The problem is that there was a lot of support there. So at the end, I added 300 shares and then I decided to cover everything at 46.03. So yeah, that's what I did. And then I went short one more time, MO 941. Again, there was a lot of there seemed to be a chance for that. There seemed to be weakness on the tape, but it just didn't come. Lost $120 there. And then I tried one more time and I went short at 45.81. And then there was like a massive, massive buyer here. So that's something that I have to be really careful because usually when that happens, there's going to be, and exactly was this in this candle, there's going to be a little bit of a breakdown and then there's going to be a resurgence back up many times. So yeah, I covered 400 shares, 45.69, and then pretty much the rest at break even. Gave it back a little bit of money there. And yeah, that was it. My trading. I didn't trade much. I really didn't trade much. Yeah, made $740 in Riot, made 257 in MO, which is not much at all actually. And yeah, that puts me at 999. What can I say? There's just really not much to say. Um, I wanted to finish early because again, and also my connection, my internet was going off and on. And then I realized because the connection wasn't good, my on the plug-in was a little bit loose. So that's why. So between me having not slept well, between me having reached more or less my daily goal, and between me the internet coming on and off, I was like, dude, let me just walk away. So that's what I did. I walked away. I made $1,000, and yeah, now I have the whole day free for me. Obviously there were more opportunities. There were better trades that I could have taken if I would have been more patient. Riot here, making the best, the biggest, best move. If I would have stuck around, you can see here there's a daily open resistance. That's a perfect trade on high, high, high volume compared to what we had seen for the past 10, 12, 15 minutes. So that gives another great opportunity for a short. I mean, FSR did end up breaking down over here. So that was another good setup over there. There was a good entry. I don't know what else we had. What else did I have? I mean, Space SPCE was another candidate. And yeah, okay, this is a good setup actually. Bounces off of L5, and I did see the 1 minute opening range breakout, but I didn't really take it. But then this one is another good one, right? It bounces off of L4 and gets all the way to the daily open, and now it's just like all over the place. But really, really good setups, man. Well, I made my money, so what else? What else I want? That's now $1,000. So it's 3 days straight where I'm making more than $1,000 pretty much. So as you can see here. Okay, omit this because this doesn't really. These 2 days are normal. These 2 days are not. And that is just. I was emotional and going through a lot at that time. So lesson learned. But we're getting back, and now for the month of April, I think I'm only 2,700 bucks from having a green month. So there's 8 days left. If I keep trading how I'm trading and I keep being responsible with my stop losses, with my risk management, and so on, I'm gonna make it. So that's gonna be really good if I do. No, when I do. I wanted to keep an average of $10,000 a month. That's what I really wanted to keep. It's a little bit tough. It's a little bit tough right now. I mean, to have to make 6,300 bucks. I think I can do it. If I have a few good days. I mean, I can definitely do it. In March, I had an $18,000 month. So there were days where I had 2,700, 3,000. So if I have a couple of those days, I can do it. But we'll see, man. That would be cool. If not, if I can, have an average of $9,000 a month. Sorry, I'm also happy. So that's gonna be, what do I have to do to get there? That's the thing. It's not like I want to make that money. No, obviously I want to. It would be good if I get there, but what is it that I have to do to get there? And today I took the setups. I took really good setups. I took a really good reversal, a really good R4 reversal in MO. I took a really good opening range day breakdown over here in Riot. I mean, this is like picture perfect. Should have left it a little bit longer, to be honest. Just this trade, if I would have let the 1,600 shares, it would have gone all the way here, which would have been almost 1,600 bucks. And then more opportunities here. But again, if I'm not feeling it, like yesterday, I was feeling nervous. Today, I was feeling tired. Is it limiting me from being able to capture bigger profits? I guess, but it can also go the other way around, and I can start giving back money and stuff, and that's not what I want to do. So, all in all, I'm happy with the day. I'm progressing forward after my biggest drawdown by far, after a tremendous loss. Sorry about that. So, yeah, that's it. That's my recap. You guys like it, and have a good day.